In this video, I'll show you how to check your Deepseek profile. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notifications to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, if you want to check your Deepseek profile, what you're going to do right now, head over to the Deepseek, the Deepseek site. So I'm going to be attaching the importance links in this video description. Please, for your own safety, please ensure you check everything I'm going to be attaching in this video description. And if you want to check your Deepseek profile, what you're going to do right now, you're going to click on this My Profile. Once you have clicked on it, you'll be able to see everything, your email, your settings, everything you need to see, right? So this is where you're going to check. You're going to click on My Profile and you'll be able to see everything you need to see, right? If you want to still contact them on Telegram, it's still pretty easy. Once you click on this, you'll be directly connected with them on Telegram. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm going to see you all in the very next one.